Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8, gear knob removal and re-lacquering. This is video 51 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you how I removed my wooden gear knob, took off the old lacquer and applied new lacquer. If you're interested in XK8 videos, my channel is dedicated to that. If you'd like to know when new videos are coming about, it's best if you could subscribe, that would be much appreciated, and click the bell icon as a reminder of when new videos arrive. I would appreciate it if you could click the like button and share and comment on the videos. Anyway, down to business. My wooden gear knob in my XK8 was a different colour to the other veneers. This actually prompted me to change the gear knob to an aluminium or chrome one. And actually I ended up vinyl wrapping the whole dash, maybe a step too far. But now I thought, okay, I'll look to refurb the gear knob and actually put the old veneers back. So the first point is removing the gear knob. In order to do this, you need a 16mm spanner to undo the locking nut at the base of the gear knob. You can see there's two flats either side on that sort of locking collar. So here you go, just apply the spanner and turn clockwise and undo the lock nut, and the actual gear knob will be able to freely just unscrew. If you don't undo the lock nut and try and unscrew the gear knob, you probably end up tearing the glue in the insert, in the wooden one, and shearing it all off. So please undo the lock nut. Okay, so before I applied any lacquer, tried to refurbish, the gear knob was a bit worse for wear, lots of cracks, and for some reason the lacquer was a bit milky, even where the lacquer wasn't damaged. It wasn't the same colour as you can see the veneers on the left hand side. So I set about trying to refurbish it. So I used basically a battery drill, some sandpaper, P80 and P180, and just some ordinary automotive lacquer. In order to hold the gear knob, I use an M8 by 30mm long cap screw with a locking nut. So with the gear knob in the drill, I just applied the sandpaper and took off the lacquer very roughly but effectively with the P80 grit. Got this sort of result. Just roughly taking the lacquer off, maybe a little bit too hard on the top there, but the P180 really did get the lacquer off. Sorry, the P80. After I applied P180, I got this result. It's basically all done. The surface isn't completely flat, so I actually used some Scotch Brite in the drill to get the surface smooth, and then basically just applied lots and lots of coats of lacquer in the drill again. There you go, simple as that. And I did that roughly 10 times until I got this sort of finish. Not perfect, but not bad at all. And what surprised me was how good the finish was compared to the veneers. Got back to almost identical shade of wood and grain as the veneers. Very, very good result. Not milky at all. So this has inspired me now to remove all the veneers and go back to classic interior. If you'd like to see that, please keep tuned into my channel, because there's more videos coming. Okay, hopefully enjoyed that. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it. Please comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe and click the bell icon, as I said before, if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.